January 2021, no vaccines yet. I woke up without smell and knew something was very wrong. I didn't take antibiotics or antivirals. Instead, I turned to teas, vitamin C, and a ritual: inhale wild oregano, then drink. This is how I got through COVID. Stick with me. I'll show you exactly what I used and why it may have helped. I'm a pharmacist, and this is my personal recovery story, not medical advice. Herbs didn't cure COVID. They were supportive during recovery. Why make this video? Because people are still searching for real experiences, not miracle promises. I want to share what I actually did. Simple, repeatable, and honest. In November 2020, I started a daily immune tea routine: echinacea, elderflower, and wild thyme. I drank it regularly, feeling invincible before sickness ever hit. Then came the first sign. I lost my sense of smell. Panic set in. I immediately started taking vitamin C and my small inhalation ritual, briefly inhaling wild oregano before sipping my tea. A few days later, the cough hit hard. That's when I added ginger tea and increased my wild oregano intake, inhaling it each time before drinking. I chose not to use antibiotics. As a pharmacist, I knew they wouldn't help with viruses and could weaken my immune response. Let's continue with the herbs and why they likely helped. Echinacea is my daily defense. I think of it as a gentle nudge to my immune system, not a shield. I used it long-term before exposure. When illness struck, wild oregano became my go-to. Inhaling and sipping oregano tea brought a small, consistent shift: less throat pain and lighter breathing. Lab studies show oregano can reduce inflammation and fight microbes. It's not a magic cure, but for me, it was noticeably helpful. Ginger soothed my throat and calmed my cough reflex. Hot ginger tea was comforting and eased soreness, allowing my body to rest. Every day I squeezed lemon, orange, and citron. Vitamin C became part of my routine, a supportive antioxidant, not a cure. It's habit-forming in a good way, keeping me sipping and hydrated.
Simple routine I follow. Morning: 1 cup of daily immune tea, echinacea plus elderflower plus wild thyme. At first, symptom: vitamin C plus inhale wild oregano briefly before drinking. When cough worsened, alternate ginger tea and wild oregano tea. Always inhale oregano before drinking it. Hydration plus rest. That's it. 3 days after I added ginger and wild oregano regularly, I noticed the cough easing. It was subtle, a fraction less pain, a deeper breath. By day 7, the cough had mostly stopped. My family, who followed a similar approach, improved around the same time. Quick science, plain words. Echinacea, gentle immune stimulator. Could shorten some viral colds when used early. Wild oregano has carvacrol and other compounds that reduce inflammation and microbial irritation that likely ease throat pain. Ginger, anti-inflammatory and soothes cough. Vitamin C/citrus, antioxidant support and helps with hydration. None of these cure viral infections. They support comfort and recovery. If you try this, start immune habits early, not when you're already very sick. Inhale wild oregano briefly before drinking the oregano tea. That was my ritual. If symptoms worsen or breathing is hard, seek medical care immediately. Herbs are supportive, not replacements. My outcome: cough stopped in about a week. I believe the regular immune tea, early vitamin C, oregano inhalation before drinking, ginger and oregano tea all helped me feel stronger faster. But the virus had its own timeline. Herbs supported the process. They didn't override it. If you want the exact immune tea recipe and measures, write recipe in the comments and I'll post it. Hit like if you found this real and useful, subscribe for more herb science you can actually use, and tell me, which herb helped you during sickness?